As I look back on the days we were able to freely travel and meet people, I can't help but miss those days. However, regardless of all the current circumstances, as long as we are alive, we can always dream for a better tomorrow and choose to visualize life full of hope. The last 18 months have taught me several lessons about life. Let me share them with you while we explore around Bristol, England. Have a goal in mind and cling to it. We walked around Bristol with an aim to reach the Clifton Suspension Bridge. We could have taken a taxi, but we chose to enjoy the walk and explore the city by foot. With a map on hand and a perseverance to do whatever it takes to reach our destination. Same with life. It is a long road, but there is no shortcut, but only determination to fuel you daily. Having a goal is having something to look forward to, a purpose that makes the trip worthwhile. You are the story. You are the book. And whatever's written in it is part of your history. It is indelible and serves an integral part of who you are. Everything that had happened, will happen, and is happening in our lives are both a lesson and a blessing. Same as these historic buildings. It has weathered storms, witnessed the sweet sunrise and bitter sunset, and stood the test of time. Every crack has a story. Every imperfect texture shows that nothing is flawless, but it can still be beautiful. The broken bricks displays your battle scars that you were able to survive and is forever part of who you are today. Make time on what matters most. Invest in memories, meaningful relationships, and experiences than things. Never miss a chance to tell people how much they mean to you. Know your priorities and pursue it every day. Because yesterday can never be brought back, but today opens a multitude of opportunities to enjoy life with the people dear to you. Even though tomorrow is not guaranteed, we can still treat the coming days full of aspirations. Life happens and it is okay. As you traverse this world and try to find your purpose, life will always throw challenges, roadblocks that will mold you, strengthen you, and eventually put meaning into your life. Nothing is ever perfect, so do not be preoccupied by your mistakes. No one can clearly explain how and why certain events happened in your life, but you can choose to focus your lens on the possibilities and opportunities for growth, learning, and improvement. Yes, life may knock you down. It may beat you up every time you try to give up. But you can always start again and again until you find the true meaning of your existence. Live unapologetically. Be free from the influence of the outside world and just opt to listen to the voice inside your heart. You live the way you please. Create a life based on your own definition of happiness, success, and worth, rather than content with the world's picture of a triumphant life. You can never fully please people no matter what you say or do, so choose to enjoy life regardless of people's opinion. Like the green tall trees that sway from the breeze of air, unbothered no matter how bad the weather may be. Like the antique structures that stood still, fragile but hold so much value. You do not need to explain yourself, no need to prove anything, as long as you are living, not demeaning others, and holding on to your values and principles in life. Be compassionate. Each and every one of us has our own burdens buried inside our soul that is hard to dig, difficult to express, and sometimes impossible to expose. It is important that we look out for each other, treat everyone with respect and kindness, because no one knows what he/she is going through. You may trigger their deepest hurt or choose to put a smile on his or her face. We are all here to coexist and share the same space here on earth, so better care for one another. Life has various seasons. Every season in our lives serves a purpose, and no matter how hard it may appear, the ultimate goal of our Creator is to equip us during the waiting and building season, to strengthen and shape us during the hurting and trial season, and to celebrate with us in the joyful seasons of life. These chapters of our lives will make us appreciate every step of every day, because, though fearful, we courageously conquered them all. Celebrate yourself. Your presence is a gift, and how you shift your focus from external to internal happiness builds a joyful life. It is not where you are, who you're with, nor what material things you have that ignites happiness, but you yourself control your own sunshine. Where your heart is anchored influences and depicts what a happy life is for you. Choose to accept your flaws, celebrate small progress, and understand that you are unique. There is only one you, and you are worthy of all the love this life has to offer. Last, in everything you do, submit yourself to God. We do not know what the future holds, but we can rely that the one who wrote the story of our lives only wants the best for us. He will discipline us, straighten our path, and would patiently wait for us to come to Him for comfort, aid, and mercy. His love never subsides nor diminish. We just need to seek in our hearts and realize that He has a plan and will forever be faithful to His promise. We just need to have faith. I saw the Lord always before me, because He is at my right hand. I will not be shaken. Therefore my heart is glad, and my tongue rejoices. My body also will rest in hope. Because you will not abandon me to the realm of the dead. You will not let your Holy One see decay. You have made known to me the paths of life. You will fill me with joy in your presence. Acts chapter 2, 25 to 28.